Hey there, this is Wes. I'm the COO of CazVid, and we have been working now for a couple of years with Techling to develop our CazVid app and our web application of CazVid and some web solutions as well. And our experience has been very positive. I think the team is always available, always ready to go the extra mile. They always step up when we have certain issues. When there is some urgency to get things done, the team stays on, they work extra hours, they make sure that the issues are solved. We have a pretty smooth working relationship, and we get a lot of stuff done in a good amount of time. So I would recommend Techling for your mobile application or web application development. And I think they've really done a great job in our current technology so far, and we're looking forward to the next steps in our tech development. As we have a very, very exciting time ahead. So I would recommend make sure to check them out.